a cartoon.
Here, in the icy grip of the Antarctic, this ship fights a grim battle to clear the sea lanes of ice. Her job, crush or be crushed. To amuse the crew, she carries a mascot. And in the tradition of the sea, the mascot lives in the lap of luxury.
Wake up, sir. It's time for chow. Here's your grog. And here's your great big sizzling steak. Open wider, sir. Ah, there we are.
Hi, look at the penguin.
Yeah, the penguin.
Here's a hat, little fella.
Hi, that's my hat.
What do you say we keep him for a mascot?
Yeah, for a mascot.
You're our new mascot, boy. Look here, you deep freeze chicken. I'm the mascot on this ship, and that boy has got to go. Welcome aboard, son. Gonna be our new mascot, huh? Well, let me show you around the ship. By the way, do you have a match? Thanks. Hold this, son. I'll be right back. Help! Get me out of here!
Now, hear this. If I find the swab that's playing jokes,
I'll break him in two! Swab that did that? Wow! What a dish! Break out the spinnaker! I'll use this here ice cream cone to wash that cotton-picking penguin overboard. How about some refreshments, son? Now, look here, man. That's good ice cream.
ice cream, huh? I like ice cream.
Keep calm. This'll get me in good with the Admiral. Come on, Admiral! You're in the groove, man! Cut your engine and set her down.
Yes, all ships have mascots to amuse the crew. But the crew must also work. And on this ship, the job is to crush ice.
You're telling me.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.